Welcome back guys on another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be deeply explaining more about the types of trading in forex. Now a lot of people confuse this trading with other things, but in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about types of trading in forex. Now there are types of trading available to the technical traders. What we have for you today is explaining deep about types of trading. Now there are types of trading available to technical traders. Scalping is one of them. Day trading, momentum trading, swing trading, and position trading. Mastering one style of trading is very important, but the trader also needs to be patient in others. Now, I myself am a day trader, but before I was a swing trader. I could handle my trades for a week, 5 days, 2 weeks. But right alone, I wasn't specifically fitting in that type of trading, which is becoming a swing trader, because swing trader you have to hold your trades for so long. Now let me say, if you have an account of like $500 and you're swing trading, and that is the only account you have, that means you cannot have a living on that particular account, because you're not going to swing your trades from Monday to Friday, yet you don't have something to eat, you don't have money for data, you don't have money for your utility bills. At the end of the day, you'll end up losing all your positions. Now, first number one, scalping. Scalping mainly is for traders who would like to jump into the market, open their trades and plus or closing them in a short time or period. It can be between 5 minutes to 15 minutes or 30 minutes or even 1 minute. You find a trade is making money in 1 minute. But scalping needs someone who is professional. I'm going to repeat this. If you are scalping the market, you must be knowing what you are doing 100 or 90%. If you're a beginner and you tend to scalp the market, you will be stressing up yourself. Now I'm talking facts. Secondly, it's what we call day trading. Day trading, mainly it depends on the trader when he's going to open his positions, the time they're going to take running. Now that means you're going to open your positions and they'll be running between 12 hours. If you wake up early in the morning, like at 6 a.m., and you open up your trades, that means your trades must run from 6 a.m. till to 6 p.m. in the evening. So if you are going to trade or to focus on day trading, even if I don't explain more about hours, you must be trading 2 major sessions, which is the London session and the New York session, and you are done. Now, being a day trader, I found it simple to my side, whereby I wake up, analyze the market, wait for the volatility, place my trades. They run in the London session or New York session. In those both sessions, you can find you have one session whereby you have collected a lot of pips than the other session. So that's what I was trying to explain. Another thing is swing trading. Swing trading is opening up your positions and you let these positions run for over 3, 4 to 6 days or 1 week or 2 weeks. Why am I saying this? Is when you focus on swing trading, that means you'll be targeting in the market to get over 200 pips, 300 pips, 400 pips. Now, there is no way the market is going to give you these 400 pips if you're focusing on currency pairs. If you're not focusing on gold, because gold, you know, it has a huge pip value whereby the market can run in a little bit distance and you make 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips. But when you're focusing on currency pairs, automatically you have to wait for 200 pips, 300 pips, 400 pips, 500 pips for you to make a huge amount of money. Now that is specifically day trading. Another thing is position trading. Now for position trading, you're going to be holding your positions for so long. That means you may handle or place your positions and they run for almost 5 months, 6 months, 3 months, 1 year. So all these kinds of trading, you have to first specifically practice your trading style, and you know that I'm a particular trader who trades this and this and this and this. Now you find a way how to fix your trading style in a particular trading type and session. So you have to combine three things: my trading style, in which trading session is fitting in, plus what kind of trading are you trading, plus your strategy. So if you have those things which I have explained, you'll find ease in the forex market. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, to our channel. We thankful that we have already hit 50 subscribers, so let's push it to 100 subscribers without any doubt, because we are still bringing a lot of content to teach you guys how the forex market operates, plus setting up with our reliable broker, which is Infinix Capital. Go, guys, in the description, get the link of Infinix Capital, sign up with Infinix Capital. It is the best trader, the best forex broker, is the best forex broker you can recommend for you to use.